Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk with my friend Mr. Avigyan Tiwari, who is recently placed in home shipping just a week ago. Hi Avigyan, welcome to my channel Amrit Raj Compositions. Many congratulations for your wonderful success in home shipping while this lockdown.
Hello, Amrit. Thank you and thank you for calling me on your channel. It was my pleasure to come here and give you an interview.
Okay, today I will ask you few questions related to home shipping.
Yes, okay.
Okay, let us start now. Tell the viewers about this company in brief.
So basically, it is a ship management company which manages over more than 300 ships of different kinds. And it is a quite good company for those who want to make their career, long career in shipping, and excel their career in it. And it is continuously working for more than 50 years, successfully running the business in shipping industry. So this is the one of the best ship management companies in the world.
Okay, how did you get opportunity to sit in this company and what was your batch rank?
So my batch rank was around 220 out of the 280 candidates. So there it was quite difficult for me to get chance in this company. But luckily, this company was in hurry and was looking for those cadets who have their CDCs ready. So there were very few cadets in my college who had their CDCs ready, and I was one of them. So in this way, I think I was very lucky enough to get chance to appear in this test and in this interview, and this CDC got me the placement. I would finally say that this CDC got me the placement in this company.
Yeah, it's really correct. Success is the combination of luck, labor, and chance.
Yes, that definitely happened with me.
Okay, can you tell the viewers what is selection process of home shipping?
Okay, so its selection process is almost identical with the many other shipping companies. So it was in basically three steps where there were two written tests and finally an interview. So the first written test was a PI cognitive test in which there were around not exactly 50 questions, aptitude type of 50 questions, and it was to be completed in 12 minutes. And it was not necessary that you have to complete all those 50 questions, but uh, you have to attend as much as possible. So this was the first round. After that, we got to do a psychometry test in which basic questions about you and the situations were given in front of you, and you have to answer accordingly. So these were two written exams, and after completing these two tests, we got chance to appear for an interview, and that was the final round of the testing selecting procedure.
Okay, Vigyan, can you tell the viewers what type of questions asked in the written exam and psychometric test and how did you prepare for it?
So in first step of the written exam, that is PI cognitive test, we were asked 50 questions which were needed to be done in 12 minutes, and those questions compiled of basic reasoning questions like distance time questions and some basic reasoning, pictorial reasonings, and some problem related with adjacent type questions, and some basic questions about in English finding antonyms and synonyms of the some words. So that was the first round of the written test, and in second round that was psychometric test, in which were asked in which we are given some situations, which may fall while working, and it was asked how would I react in those situations, and apart from that, there were some adjective words which I have to choose that what other thinks of me and what I think of myself. So this was quite simple, and the PI behavioral test was have not any time limitations. So it was quite easy and fun doing that. Test I have practiced many questions from India Bix app and learned some tricks to solve the questions easier to solve the questions in fast manner and to save our time. And apart from that, I have done many mock tests related to the PI cognitive test which are available on internet. So these were the basic preparations which I have done for that. And for behavioral test, I have not done any type of preparations which are completely related to me. So that was not needed.
Okay, basically indiavix.com is very useful website for all aptitude tests, है ना?
Yeah, I found it quite helpful for my test.
What were the questions particularly asked to you in interview?
So in interview, I was asked many HR questions and a little bit of some technical basics questions. So in HR question, my interview was started like with a HR question, which was the most obvious question that tell me about yourself. And after answering that, I was asked many such questions like tell me about your family, what motivated you to join merchant navy, and where you see yourself in next 5 years, and many such questions like that. And after those questions, the next round was for technical round which lasts around 15 minutes. And some technical basic questions were like what is difference between two stroke and four stroke engines, why do we use two stroke instead of four stroke on shapes, and what are the difference between centrifugal pump and reciprocating pump and maintenance required in them, and what is turbocharger. And I was asked to draw the schematic diagram of the freshwater generator and explain while showing that. And I was asked the working principle of the brine ejector and all that. So that was basic questions in the technical terms, and some few questions in HR2. So after that technical round, I was again asked some HR questions that like why should we hire you, and how would you react if you got to know that your family in some emergency kind of situations and you are on board and all that. And at last I was got chance to ask cross question to the interviewer that which I may find to ask. So in that way our interview was done.
Okay, your interview were consist of how many minutes and how much percentage of the questions did you answer well? Is it necessary to answer all the questions?
So my interview was around for more than 50 minutes, and so HR was the basic questions so that everyone can answer it on their own, and that was not a very trick. But in technical questions, you need not to answer all that questions, which you feel that you are confident on that, then answer. And if you don't know the exact answer, and so don't try to fool the examiner because they know everything well. So uh, be honest with yourself with your answers and tell them what you know, and leave those questions which you don't know.
Okay, Vigyan, how did you prepare for interview?
So for my interview preparation, I have consulted many seniors which have gone through this test and interview. They suggested me the type of questions they ask in interview and all those HR questions. Apart from that, I took help of YouTube in finding the best suited HR question answers, and wrote them on a paper and practiced for many times. And apart from that, I practiced the HR question in front of mirror for the many times and did many mock interviews too. And for the technical questions, I kept ready my all the basic in the technical part, and that helped me to get the placement.
Okay, Vigyan, you know there are many myths in our campus regarding placement. What would you like to say about this? If you will involve in that activities, then you will get placement. And if you will do this, if you will rank like a lot, what would you like to say about that?
Yes, definitely. I have also heard of many myths in our campus regarding the placement scenario. But I would like to say that these myths are not to believe. So if you are working hard and in positive manner and you have a low aggregate, then you will not have to worry about. Look at me. That my aggregate was not a decent aggregate and below par. But I did not lose my hope and work positively to get the placement. And in the after that, Allah favored me, and finally I got a placement. So there are many myths, but don't believe them. Always try to work hard, be positive, and look for the opportunities which are coming in front of you. And if opportunity come, then grab it perfectly, and that will definitely help you. So there is no any problem with that.
Yeah, there are many myths broken by our batchmates, like fleet
Yeah,
doesn't take Muslim cadet like that, NYK never takes Muslim cadet. All these myths are broken by our batchmates. So never go on any
eh,
myths. Just have faith on yourself. I would like to say also this.
yes, definitely. I have witnessed many situations in our college that breaking these norms.
Yeah.
So there is nothing to worry about the myths. So work positively and work hard. Then if you deserve, then you will definitely get the job.
Okay. Abhigan, what would you like to suggest our juniors who see homes as a dream company?
So basically, Thom is a very quite decent type of company which are managing over more than 300 ships all of kind. And so if you see to join Thom as a company, Thom as your company, working company, so this is a very nice choice and you should go for it. And because it will give a better chance to explore your career and excel in that field. So it is quite nice. And for this, don't give up your preparation at any stage of your college life. Always try to get the information from wherever you are getting, and work hard, remain positive, do work with a positive mindset. You will definitely get it. But sticking to a particular company for you getting your job is not a right thing, I would like to say. But you must prepare for all those companies which are coming in your way, and try to give your best, and you should always work progressively and with a positive mindset. So this is a good company, you can join this, but never stick to one company for your career, because who knows that who will get selected in which company. And because I don't know that I'm getting going to selected in home. So give your best and look for the opportunities which are coming in front of you.
Okay. Any last comment for the viewers of Amrit Raj Compositions?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank all the viewers which are supporting this channel, because I know you are working very hard on to get to help the viewers or your viewers. So I would like to say that if you find this channel very useful, then you must subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, then like this video and share to those who needs such kind of video. And if you want to pursue your career in the merchant navy, so I would like to say that like this video, subscribe this channel, and please hit the bell icon for your upcoming videos notification. And thank you for supporting.
Thank you, Abhigan Tiwari, for your kind words and for your precious time. And your advice and suggestions will really help our juniors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amrit. Thank you. Thanks a lot.